It's Mary Precious of Bookwork TV. Welcome to this engaging lesson on grammar. Today, we shall examine two popular expressions that sometimes confuse us when we want to use one of them. I am talking about made of and made from. Are they beginning to ring a bell? Yes. I have some items here with me to help us understand better. A leather shoe, a plastic water bottle, a piece of paper, a glass of apple juice, and a loaf of bread. Stay with me to learn the easy ways of knowing which to use at every point in time. It promises to be fun. On one hand, we use made of when the item we are talking about still has evidence of its original state. For example, this beautiful shoe is made of leather. My water bottle is made of plastic. Remember, we use made of because the items shoe and water bottle have maintained the state of the raw material used in making them. Leather and plastic, respectively. Although they might have undergone some refinements. Another example, you cannot break down that door. It is made of steel. Sorry, I can't bring a steel door here to show you. We say made of because we can see the steel in the door. On the other hand, we use made from when we can no longer see or feel the original state of the item being spoken about. For example, this bread is made from flour. You will observe that the original state of the flour can no longer be seen. It is all but now bread. Can we give another example? Yes. Paper is made from wood. Why did we use made from? We can't see the wood again. Now let me test you on this. This glass of apple juice, is it made from or made of? Can you still see the apple? No. Since you can't see the apple, you say, this glass of juice is made from apple. Hope this lesson has helped throw more light on these two confusing phrasal verbs. Thanks for staying with me to the end. Do not forget to like, share, and drop a comment in the comment space.